Hello, you're welcome back to this class. So in this class, we want to look at how to convert from one base to other bases. So without converting from base 10, that is here we're not converting from base 10 to other bases to base 10. As we are converting between other bases, so base 10 is not featuring here. As you can see, convert 245 245 base 7 to base 12. You can see between base 7 to base 12. Here base 2 to hexadecimal. So you can see that it's not to base 10, neither from base 10 to other bases. It's not from base 10 to other bases or to other bases to base 10, as you can see. So this one involves two steps. It involves how many steps? It involves two steps. So the first step is that before you can convert this 7 to base 12, you must first of all convert this 7 to base 10. So having understood how to convert from one base to base 10, so this will not give you problem. Just the same. Something I've done before, but this one, it just combines the two other steps that we have done together here. So in that case, we convert this one to base 10. Then we're going to have this 2, 4, 5, 7 to base 10. So to base 10, don't forget, we start from this. We have 0, 1, 2, right? So that means we're going to have 2 multiplied by base 7 raised to power 2 plus the next digit is what? 4 multiplied by 7 raised to power 1, then plus 5 multiplied by 7 raised to power 0. So in that case, we're going to have this. That is 2 multiplied by 7 squared is 49. Close it, plus 4 multiplied by 7. 7 raised to power 1 is 7. Plus 5 multiplied by 7 raised to power 0 is what? 1. Don't forget. Anything raised to power 0 is what? 1. So we multiply this. That is 1898 plus 4 times 7, 28, sorry, plus 5 times 1, 5. So we had all these together to give us the base 10. So adding this together gives us 98 plus 28 plus 5. That gives 131. 131 base what? 10. Don't forget, this is not what we're converting to. We are converting to base what? 12. So this 131 base 10, we now convert it to base 12. So we now come here, the normal process. You can see it's the same thing. So we have 131. We have remainder here. We have 12 here. So we then convert. So 12 in 13 is 1. Remainder what? Remainder 1. So remainder 1. 12 in 11, that is 0. Remainder 11. So am I going to write this down? If you write this down, that means you get 0. So what are you going to write down to replace 11 is what? Is B. Is what? B. Then move to the next one. 12 in 10, that is what? 0. It's not possible. Remainder what? Remainder 10. That is what? A. 10 is A. So therefore, these are our answer. Therefore, we can conclude that 2, 4, 5 base 7 is equal to AB base what? Base 12. That is our answer. So I hope this is clear, right? So if that is the case, move to the next one, which is this next question. The same thing, we are converting this to base 16. So we use the same process. So first of all, convert to base 10. Then from base 10, we go to base 16, right? So that's what we're going to do. So, and to do that, let's convert this to base 10 first. So this will be 0. Don't forget this decimal. 1, 2, 3. We don't start from here. So this will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, right? So we then expand. We expand this. So this will give us 1 times 2 raised power 3 plus 1 times 2 raised power 2 plus 0 times 2 raised power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised power 0 plus 1 times 2 raised power minus 1 plus 0 times 2 raised power minus 2 plus 1 times 2 raised power what? Minus 3. So we open this. So this gives 2 raised power 3, that is 8 times 1 is 8. It's allowed. 2 raised power 2 is 4. 4 times 1 is what? 4. Plus 2 raised power 1 is 2. 2 times 0 is 0. Plus 1, 2 raised power 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is what? 1. Plus 1, 1 all over 2. That is 1 times 1 all over 2. Plus 0 times 1 all over 2 raised power 2. Plus this one. 1 times 1 all over 2 raised power 3. So we have this together. This is 12 plus 1, 13. That is 13 plus 1 over 2 plus 0. This is 0 plus 1 times 1, 1. 2 raised power 3 is 8. 2 raised power 3 is not 6. 2 raised power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. That gives what? 8. Is that clear? Good. So that is 1 over what? 8. So this will give us 0. So there's no need. So next thing is 13 plus, we find the LCM of this, which is 8. 2 in 8 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 8 in 8 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So that we're going to have this 13 plus 5 all over 8. So we want to make it to the decimal, right? So we're going to have 5 divided by 8. 5 divided by 8. That gives 0.625. So that is 13 plus 0.625. So that means what? 13.0625. Base what? Base 10. So it is this that we now convert to base 16. We want to convert this to base 16. So we first of all convert the decimal part, the whole part, which is 16, 13, 16, then remainder. So you see, we're going to have a 16 in 13 is what? 0, remainder what? 13. And 13, to write 13 down, we can write 13 here. So A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13. So this will be what? D. So which means this part is D. So we can, that's 13 is equal to what? D. So there you can see it's already D. So the next stage is to convert 625 to base 16. Don't forget the way we did the other time. So we're going to have 0.625. We multiply everything by 16. Then we will the remainder. This whole part will be our answer. So let's make use of calculator. 16. Let's pick one by one. 16 times 5 gives 80. We write 0, carry a 16 times 2 times 2, that's 32 plus 8. That gives 40. We write 0, carry 4. 16 times 6 plus 4. That gives us 100. We write 0 and carry 10. Carry 10 to this part. And 10 is what? A. So you can see that what we have here is what? 0. They are all zeros. They are not for us to continue multiplying by 16 because we have 0 here already. So that means this 0.625 here is equal to what? A. That's the decimal part. So we can then conclude that 1101.101 base 2 is equals to the whole part, which is D, point the decimal part, which is what? A, base what? 16. So that is that on this. This is what we're going to have as our final answer. I think we'll be able to learn from the past 3 videos that we produced now, we'll be able to learn how to convert from base 10 to other bases, and from other bases to base 10, and from one base to the other with other than base 10. So that is the end of it. So in a subsequent video, we'll be looking at addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of number bases. That is, we want to look at arithmetic operation under this topic. So if you find this video useful and helpful, kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed to our channel, and make sure you put on your notification bell so that anytime I release video, you'll be able to get notification of the video on time and be able to benefit from it. And you can also share our videos with your friends and family. Go through our channel and see other videos we have on the channel that can help you to boost your chance in becoming mathematician. So thank you very much for your time, and thank you very much. So this is all going to stop, and bye for now. Meet in the next video.